Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Figma open and Dora installed. Start now by granting the plugin permissions so it can access your file. Next, pick 1 to 3 representative frames you want Dora to work with and make sure layers are named logically. Once done, run Dora from the Plugins menu and choose Import Data. This first action establishes the connection and sends structure for analysis. Make sure to save a copy of the file before bulk operations, because Dora will overwrite matching components during sync. You'll now configure mappings so Dora knows which data goes where. Open the mapping panel and assign plugin fields to frame layers. Then choose transformations like batch replace, scaling, or layout presets to adjust multiple components at once. Once you've set rules, use the preview mode to inspect changes inline. This avoids surprises by showing exact replacements and affected nested components. If everything looks correct, apply changes in small increments so you can revert easily if the results differ from expectations. You're ready to finalize. Run the final sync to commit Dora's adjustments and then publish or update your team library so collaborators get the changes. After sync, export critical components or create a version duplicate as a safety net. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot systematically. First, verify plugin permissions, then reopen the mapping panel to confirm field-to-layer assignments, and finally consult Dora's plugin logs for errors. If necessary, revert to your saved copy and apply mappings again more selectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.